Alright everyone, now that we have seen the algorithm behind the merge sorting algorithm, let's quickly write the JS specific implementation of this. So here we have a class ready for the merge sorting implementation. So let me just add a function called merge sort. What it does is it will take the array of values. Okay, once again I'm mentioning for merge sorting implementation, it is very important that you understand the algorithm of merging of two sorted arrays into the single array, because as part of the merge sorting algorithm the main aim is to divide the array into two halves till it becomes array that has only one value, and the array with one value is sorted by itself, right? Then we start merging those sorted arrays such that it will basically yield a bigger sorted array, and we repeat the same process till we get the entire array sorted. So I have explained the same algorithm as well and implemented in your programming language of choice too. So you can go ahead and check that out first and come back to merge sorting implementation. If you know that merge sorting is just 4 or 5 lines of implementation. So here I have defined one merge sort function, right? Like I mentioned, we will be reusing the merge to sorted arrays utility that we have already implemented. So let me just copy this function and let me add it into this class as well. Okay, so we have that ready. Now what we will do, like I mentioned earlier, we will divide the array into two halves till we get that array has only one value. That we will do it in a recursive way, right? So as part of the base condition to stop the further recursive calls, what I will do is, if array dot whatever the length that we have, if it is equal to 1, then we have divided the input array till a point where it has only one value. Now array with one value is sorted by itself, right? So we will return the array itself. If this is not the case, then what we will do, we will basically divide the array into two halves. Those two halves are nothing but from 0 till middle one half and from middle till the end another half. So for that, first let's just calculate the middle. Middle is nothing but whatever the array dot length that we have divided by 2. Okay, now what we will do is, let's call the recursive function of merge sorting once again, but from 0 till the middle index one half, and the other recursive call will basically have the values from middle index till the end. So for that, let's just call this dot merge sort from 0 index divide till middle index, and whatever the result that we get, right, let's just store it in one variable called left sorted array or something like that. Similarly for the right half, what we will do, this dot merge sort, and what we will do, we will basically we need to divide the array from 0 till the middle, right? For that, what I will do is I will simply use the slice function of the JavaScript arrays. So what it does is it will create a copy of array values from index 0 till middle index -1. For the right half, what I will do is I will simply copy array.slice, and the starting index is nothing but middle itself, from middle till the end. So we don't need to pass another end index here, it automatically copies till the end. Now what we need to do, we have the left part and right part. Now what we need to do, we need to merge them. For that, we will simply call this dot merge two sorted arrays. One is left and the other one is right. Okay, and we can return whatever it is returning. Now to understand this clearly, whatever the left merge sort that we are calling here, right, it can go till an array that has only one value, and after that this right also goes till that array has only one value, and both of them will get merged, and that merged array has more values, right, it gets returned. In that way, the further recursive calls will basically sort the complete array. Okay, so this is the merge sorting implementation. Now we can quickly go ahead and create the object of this and test it out as well. So let's ms equal to new merge sort, and let's simply console.log of whatever the ms dot merge sort of. Let's pass the array of values 10, 12, -10, -90, 110, something like that. Now let's run this and see if it actually gets sorted in the ascending order. So if you see, the array is sorted in the ascending order. One more thing that you can do is here, let's just put -100 and run this as well, and even if you see, it is sorted. Even the array can have duplicates, right? You can see 12 is repeated, and let's repeat the 10 also. Now even if there are duplicates, it should basically sort the array. If you observe, the array has been sorted in the ascending order. So the array is sorted in the ascending order because whatever the merge two sorted arrays function that we have written, right, it is basically expecting two ascending order sorted arrays, and it is merging them into a single array, making sure that the resulting array is also sorted in the ascending order. If you want the descending order sorted array, all you have to do is make the changes in this utility function such that it will yield a descending order sorted array in the end, such that you will basically have a descending order sorting of the merge sort implementation. Okay, anyway, that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next sorting algorithm, which is nothing but quick sorting algorithm.